Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to a new guide video of 1 2 Step. In this video, I'm going to show you the simple steps of logging in to your online banking of Westpac. If you watch this video until the end, by the end of it, you'll be successfully logged in to your online banking. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First of all, you need to open up your web browser and search for westpac.com.au. Once you search for this, it's going to take you to the website. Now, once you land on the website, you can see an option called sign in on the top right. But before you click on it, make sure that the online banking option is selected and choose the type of online banking that you have. Either you have a personal or business. You can also log into different other types of accounts that they provide. So click on sign in. And through this section, you need to first type in your customer ID. And in the second box, type in the password. If you don't remember your password or your customer ID, you can click on this link which says forgot customer ID or password. And from here, you can fill in these details to successfully recover your password or your customer ID. Once you fill in both of this information, you can just click on sign in. And if the details that you enter are correct, you will be successfully logged in to your Westpac online banking. So that was a short and easy video. I hope you guys understood and found this video to be helpful. That's going to be all for today. Thanks for watching.